Welcome back to another Brewista video. My name is Nick, and today we're going to be talking about the Cold Pro Junior. So the Cold Pro Junior is a 2-liter cold brew system that we're coming out with later this summer. It uses the same outlet filters as the original models, and the same filter paper but made in a smaller size. It has a lid so nothing falls into your cold brew while it's still steeping. Most importantly, in lieu of a spigot, the Cold Pro Junior has this valve for controlling the flow of your cold brew. We still recommend the same brewing ratios that we recommend with the larger units. So that's 1 pound for every gallon of water for a concentrate, diluted with equal parts water and cold brew, or 1 pound of coffee for every 2 gallons of water for a ready-to-drink cold brew. Now, obviously, this is about half a gallon, so that takes our ratios down to half a pound of coffee for a concentrate and 1/4 pound of coffee for a ready-to-drink. So today, I've got 1/4 pound of coffee right here, already ground, as you saw earlier. So we're just gonna get into the brewing process. Okay, so now that we've added the outlet filter, the paper filter, the coffee, and the water, let's put the lid on and take it to the fridge. Okay, so we are back. I steeped the cold brew for 18 hours. You can do anywhere from 12 to 24 based on your preferences. But now we're ready to drain it. So this is where the valve itself comes in handy. So you have this little rotating part right here, and you open it up just like that. Be careful not to push it too far or it will come off. It doesn't really matter. It's just a little annoying if it were to fall into your brew, so don't push it all the way to the right. There's a catch on the bottom so that it doesn't go that far, but if you push past it, you can take it off for cleaning purposes. The cold brew is now drained, so I am going to close the valve and lift the bucket. The Cold Pro Junior carafe has measurements on the front in both cups and liters, and a convenient lid shaped to fit the top of the carafe itself. To discard the spent grounds, simply remove the lid of the Cold Pro Junior and dump it straight into the trash. Keep in mind that you'll want to rinse your outlet filter so you can reuse it a few more times before it gets too clogged. Thanks for watching today's video on the Cold Pro Junior. I hope you found it informative. The Cold Pro Junior is a convenient small batch solution for cold brew, and I think you guys are really going to like it. Keep an eye out for it later this summer, and be sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel to keep up with all of our new content moving forward, and please ring the bell icon to get a notification the next time we upload a video. Cheers!